Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel. Today, I have a picture of a drawing that I made a couple of years ago. This is a nostalgic scene from Kerala in Kuttanad Lakes. We will have this kind of boats all over the place for tourism, and it's really cool. It's made up of natural materials. But here we are going to go for a modern design. How about a modern small boat in the ocean? So for that, we will start with this white bottom. And most of the boats are made with fiberglass and aluminium, I think. So the bottom is like a very sharp, it is like very pointy in the front, and it's for maximum speed. I think it can wade through the water. So and on the sides we always see some kind of hard metal covering, like a bumper kind of thing. It may be to avoid hitting on hard surfaces. So let's have that also. And for the drivers, we should have a glass, like the cars have a glass window kind of things in the front. Just plain, without any kind of trims or anything. It's just clear, nice view you can have with that. And for people who are sitting, they should have a canopy, right? Not we should consider rain and all those problems out there. So a canopy, and let it have it has some kind of what do you say, solar panel canopy, solar panel for energy, in case battery goes off. This should be available for lighting the lamps and stuff like that, and the dashboards powering the engine. So we should put all the good modern gadgets into this and make it a nice futuristic design. Even though it looks like a normal boat, we should think that our design is great, high level design. We should always imagine. Drawing is going to help you with imagination. So you can study a model or look at other pictures to get idea, but you should always try to analyze that in your inner mind and get some your own skills and your own ideas should be added and interpreted into this paintings. Don't try to draw exactly like the one I am drawing. Be adventurous, be aggressive on making it different and making it unique. So okay, that's all for today. I think you will like this boat. Till we meet next time, have a good time, and I hope you are all going to be happy and well, healthy also. So tata, bye bye, see you next time.